Welcome back to our channel. Okay, today I have a new try. Okay, some of you asked me about geography. Okay, I just got it from my friend. Okay, but my friend busy, no time to write the solution for me. So, but I know you guys are looking for it. Okay, maybe you are preparing for your examination, final exam year one. Right? Yeah, difficult and important for your PTT grade. So, although I don't have any solution here, sorry, I know nothing about geography. My friend know it well, okay, but no time, sorry. So for me, I just share with you about the paper. I try to make it neat and tidy, and then I know you guys has revised it very well for geography. So you just look at the paper, see which part is in your syllabus of the year one exam. Okay, then you try to work it out by yourself. Okay, I'm sure just some kind of mapping. Okay, mapping of your skill, knowledge of geography on this paper. I think you got some insight about it can be asked in this way. And I saw a lot of graph is well written. Okay, a lot of data book that data file are well written. Very good one. So geography standard level and a high level are the same, nearly the same paper, exactly the same paper, but they have just different time. One is 1 hour 30 minutes, and the other is 2 hour 15. It is amazing to me because I think you know it very well. What's happening to it? Okay, maybe harder marking scheme or more point you need to list out for higher level. I must be honest. I know nothing about geography. Okay, the other thing is okay to me. Geography very hard for me. Okay, just share the question to you guys. Okay, so the question is like I will share it. Okay, and then see if I got something interesting to you. So remember instruction to candidates for paper one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. Okay, and then you choose to answer for 3 options. So you might use this video as the 5 minutes reading time if it is a real examination. Okay, if your final year-end exam also give you some reading time. Okay, you scan through it and decide which one to do. Okay, A to G. Wow, so many. Okay. Your geography teacher are hardworking, making all the 7 options for you. Okay, so yeah, so 60 minutes for three options. So each option is about 30 minutes. Remember the timing. I think it should be equally distributed. Okay, some might be easy, but if you do it at the last 5 minutes, you can't finish it, right? So make sure you got your look at the clock of the school. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, you remember in the real exam you can't have a watch. Do you know? Yeah, in the real IB exam, you are not allowed to have any watch. Okay, so you have to look at the clock of this hall. Okay, so okay, option A. Option A. Okay, answer the following question. Okay, refer to the map on the page 2. You have another data booklet. Okay, you have 2 things in hand. Okay, data question answer book and the data booklet. Okay, resource booklet. Okay, so the map shows the magnified aqua managed to occupy recharge MAR sites are in the states of Australia. Okay, I just combine the booklet and the question together. Actually, they are separate in the real exam. Okay, okay. Question A. Okay, identify the Australian state with the greatest number of MAR sizes. You may pause the video, work on it, and then come back. Okay. Okay, welcome back. Okay, next A2. State the water source of the Occupy recharge on the coast of the Lofton. Lofton. Focus. Okay. Pause. Hi, welcome back. Okay. Next question. Okay. Outline one reason why most MAR sites are near cities. Oh, what's MAR sites? Okay. Next one. Explain one way in which agricultural activities may cause sanitization. I think the keyword is sanitization. You know it. Okay. Next one. Explain one consequence of sanitization for farmers. Quite textbook type, right? I can smell it, okay? You can write a lot on it, okay? 3 marks, okay? Pause. Write down, really write down. Okay, for option A, question 2. Okay, every option has question 2. You can choose to answer A or B. Okay, A. Okay, explain how human activities with drainage basins may affect the characteristic of a river hydrographs. B. Examine the costs and benefits that dam building brings to different stakeholders. Which one is easier? Which one you have more thing to share? You got it? Okay, pause the video. Work on it, okay? Welcome back. Okay, next one, okay? Option B. Ocean and coastal marines. Okay. Refer to the world map on the page 3. I will copy it out, okay? Of the accompanying resource booklets, the world map shows the tracks of hurricanes, tropical cyclones, and typhoons. Wow, all natural disasters, right? So we'll see what is the question about, okay? The thing like this. A1. State the main direction of the tracks of tropical cyclones in the southern hemisphere, okay? Southern hemisphere. Tropical cyclone. Tracks. Direction. Next. Okay, the world map state which continent experience typhoons between April and January. Typhoon, okay. Good. Next. I would like one reason why hurricanes, tropical cyclone, and typhoon, they're the same thing, right? Difference, well, they talk in different. In Asia, they talk in the typhoons, okay? In America, they talk it about in hurricanes, okay? Different names, okay? Pause it and write it. Welcome back. Okay, next one. C. Explain two reasons why stakeholders value mangrove swarms. Stakeholder, yes, keywords for geography, right? Wow, 6 marks. Okay, 2 reasons. Okay, each one is free. Okay, very clear. Okay, pause the video, write it. Welcome back. Okay, part 8. Okay, and part B for option B. Okay, examine the contribution of conservation areas to the management of oceanic fish stocks. Examine the roles of wind and vegetation in the development of coastal sand dunes. Dunes. I like the film. Okay. Just kidding. Pause and write. Okay. Welcome back. Have you spent too much time on it? Be careful. Each option is only 30 minutes. Okay. Control your time. Don't write too much. Okay. Okay. Option C. Extreme environment will refer to the photographs on page 4 of the accompanying resource booklets. Those photographs shows glacier landscape and footbridge in New Zealand. Okay, see the question and the photo together. Wow, beautiful. Wow, I want to go there. Identify landscape A and landform A and landform B shown in the photograph. Good job. Next, outline one way in which accessibility may cause a challenge for resources in the area shown in the photograph. Accessibility must be accessibility, right? Must be caused by accessibility. Don't say other thing. Okay. Challenge, resource. Okay. Management. Okay. For this area, okay. Don't talk about other areas. Okay. Pause and answer. Welcome back. C1. Explain how one named landscape okay, feature in a hot, arid environment is formed by wind erosion. Name it and explain it. Good job. Next. Explain how one named landscape feature in a hot, arid environment is caused by water. I think it's the same. Oh, water. Okay. Another cause. Pause. Write down. Welcome back. Next, okay. Option C, A and B. Okay, so okay. Examine the opportunities and challenges associated with mineral extraction in one extreme environment. B. Examine the reason why desertification is accelerating in some arid regions. Which one you have more thing to share? Do that one again. Pause. Only I think 10 minutes to write the thing. Right? Pause it. Count the time. Do it. Welcome back. Okay. Next, the triangular graph shows some characteristics of mass movement. Triangular graph, mass movement. You know it. Oh, okay. This is the triangular map. It's really my first time to look at it. I'm learning from it too. Maybe a friend you teach me some one day. Identify the mass movement type with the slowest speed of movement. Slowest speed of movement. The scanning is also good. Sorry. Slowest speed. Name. Identify. So it should be straightforward. Right to you. Okay. Good job. Next one. State the percentage slope steepness for point A. Point A is there. Okay, we have to look at it. Next. Outline one situation in which a walk-fall would be classified as a secondary hazard. Take some time to write it, okay? Welcome back. Explain one reason why mass movement hazard risk could increase. Mass movement hazard risk. Oh, the term is so long, right? It's so four long joined together, right? Mass movement hazard risk. I love this term, right? No offense. Really good compound. I think this is happening then. Just kidding. Sorry, I don't know anything about geography. Forgive me. 4 marks. Okay, pause and write. Next, explain one reason other than the one you identified in C1 to why mass movement hazards risk could decreases in the future. Oh, decreases. Excellent. Risk decrease. Good thing. Pause and write it down. Welcome back. How long did you spend for option D, the previous one? I think 10 minutes is maximum, okay? Be careful. Write small, write faster, okay? For A and B, okay, examine why earthquakes of similar material may have contrasting human impacts. Of course, in different places, right? Sorry. My thinking should be alive. Sorry. Don't follow it. I really doesn't know, okay? Examine how processes ice plate boundary affects volcanic hazard event profile. I remember I learned it. Platonic theory, right? When I learned in high school, okay, my high school, 30 years ago. Sorry. Okay, pause and write. 10 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Okay, now it's for option E. Okay, leisure tourism and sports. Okay, even you did something before, okay, try to read it to maybe in exam. You need to do this one. Okay, maybe your teacher will copy this one. Okay, who knows? Okay. Refer to the satellite photograph on page 5 of the accompanying resource booklet. Okay, the satellite photo shown the town of Lerwick in the Shetland Isles, Scotland. Should be beautiful. I love Scotland. Oh, city area. I don't like it. Estimate the straight line distance in meters between Fortress and the Northbury. So you need to bring a ruler, right? Straight line distance. Right? So remember, bring a ruler, okay? 200 meters. I saw the scale down there. Well done. Next one. Say one recreational activity that might take place at the coastal area, right? Yeah, kayaking, anything you can think of, right? Coastal area. Okay. Good job. Next one. Outline one reason for the location of the Chapman Leisure Complex. Where is it? Got it. Complex. Okay. Here, right? Yeah. Sorry, my scanning is not so good. Okay. Wow, 6 marks. Okay. Explain a tour management strategy to increase the site's resilience in urban tourism. Oh, yeah, too much tourists, right? Too much tourists. Travel to the famous tourist town, right? 6 marks. Okay. Pause and write it down. Welcome back. Next one. Wow, so quick. Okay, so 10 minutes for previous 10 minutes for this one. Remember, option E, A, and B question. Okay, to what extent that does personal affluence affects people's participation in leisure activities? Affluence, what's that? Okay, you know it. Okay. Examine the environmental and economic impacts of a festival in a rural location. Too many people come by, but earn a lot of money. Pros and cons. Okay, good idea. Pause it and write it for 10 minutes and come back. Welcome back. Okay. Option F. Answer the following question. The graph shows the percentage of people with food insecurity in certain regions and the predicted change between 2018 and 2028. Wow, predicted so far away. Just see. Okay. Okay, with the thing. Okay, with the diagram, interpret. Okay. State the percentage of people with food insecurity in sub-Sahara Africa 2018. Good job. Next one. State which region will have the greatest decrease in percentage of people insecurity between 2018 and 2028. Greatest decrease, okay, not greatest decrease, okay. Good job. Next one, okay. Outline one political factor that may lead to high level of food insecurity. 2 marks, okay. Write a little bit more. Pause it. Welcome back. Wow, 6 marks, okay. Explain two disadvantages of relying on international aid to reduce the severity in the region. Okay. Wow, 6 marks. So a big pause. I think 6 minutes. Okay. Big pause. Welcome back. Okay. AP question for option F. Okay. Remember, previous 10 minutes. Now is 10 minutes too. Okay. 12A. Okay. Option F. A. Okay. Examine the importance of economic factors in the incidence of waterborne disease. Okay, okay. Human geography, okay, not biology. Okay. B. To what extent do genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and vertical farming improve food security in different places? I know it, I know it. Biology, GM food, Right. Yeah, what is GM food good for? Yeah, food security. Okay. Vertical farming, I don't know. Sorry. Okay, pause it. Wait in 10 minutes and come back. Next one. Last option, okay, urban environments. Okay, refer to the graph on page 6 of the accompanying resource book. Let's look at the graph shows the trend in urban population growth since 1950 and predicted in the 2050 in the populated continents. Well, not the continents, look at the downward. Say which continent shows the greatest increases percentage of urban population between 1950 and 2050. Wow, that's the reason why they did a color pin, right? Too many data. Okay. Next. State the year in which world urbanization reached 50%. 50%. Whoa, be careful. The black one. Okay. Next, outline one factor that could influence the slower urban population growth in some continents. Okay. 2 marks. Okay, write something. Explain two causes of urban deindustrialization. Wow, 6 marks, 2 and 3 and 3 for each clause. Okay. 6 minutes. I think you did. Big pause for each one. Okay. Write down and come back. Welcome back. Okay. A and B question. A. 10 minutes. Okay. Examine the contribution of smart city design in the sustainable management of urban systems and services. Examine the role of different stakeholders in the management of urban social depreciation. Pause it and work it for 10 minutes and come back. Welcome back, you guys. So, wow. I just named all the things I feel tired and I say, wow, good job, good job. I think you are more tired, especially your hand, right? Writing so many things. Good job, good job. If you like my share, remember subscribe, like and share our channel with other people. Okay. See you guys. Bye.